Ethereum.
Welcome to Smart Contract Avenue. Ethereum lives here, powering so much more than payments. Meet Ethereum, born in 2015 to go beyond Bitcoin's payments. Bitcoin is great for money.
I'm built for smart contracts, trustless agreements.
Bitcoin uses proof of work to secure money. Tell us about it.
I'm decentralized, secure, but mining uses lots of energy.
Ethereum, how are you different?
I upgraded to proof of stake using validators instead of miners.
Smart contracts are self-executing code.
Exactly.
No middleman, just rules running on blockchain. Developers build DeFi, NFTs, DAO, a whole ecosystem of decentralized apps. It's like an app store for blockchain. Ethereum isn't just digital money. It's a platform for a fairer, more open world. With proof of stake, smart contracts, and dApps, we're building the future together.